Hello to all the viewers from Upstocks and Zerodha Partners. Today, on a special request, I am sharing this amazing strategy which will give you guaranteed monthly profits on your Bank Nifty future trades. So, without wasting much of a time, this is our Zerodha platform app, and you see over here, you could actually go ahead and understand the strategy in detail. So one of the best brokers in India, Upstocks, you can actually open an account with them if required. You can let us know. So Bank Nifty futures, we are selecting January, the recent future option, and I will go on the 15th. I'll let you know what to plot, how to plot, and how is it that you can go ahead and use this. One important quality that you have to have when you're doing this strategy is you have to be quick. So it's all about seconds. The strategy is something which gives you amazing returns. We will learn that over the time, and we learn the strategy now. So we are on the 15th of the month. We have plotted a 5-minute chart on Upstocks. If you see, there are different options altogether. We are selecting 5-minute chart, and it's a proper plain chart candlestick. All you have to go ahead and focus is on a candle every day. So this is the first candle, that is the 9:15 candle, 5 minutes, which ends at 9:20. We ignore this candle altogether. This is the candle wherein we will focus on. So if you see the 9:20 candle, which is a 5-minute candle, it is a bearish candle. It is closing in red, and it is again a bearish candle. So what we do over here is, whenever you see a red candle formation and you do not have a very big wick, then you surely go on the sell side. So what I would have done in this situation is, if you see this close price right here, 30,680, somewhere over here you will see it. Okay, here. So this is that price. So you go ahead and sell Bank Nifty future one lot, and that is at 30,678. Now what is going to be your stop loss? Your stop loss is going to be 100 points higher to this. So your stop loss is going to be 30,778. So if the price hits 30,778, we are in a loss of 100 points. And what is going to be our profit? We are going to go ahead and take a profit of 50 points only. So the risk reward ratio over here is going to be 2:1. And if you check 30,678, that means we are looking for a drop of 50 points, that is 30,638. And if you see, the highest that it has gone is 30,715. So it has not hit the stop loss, however it has hit our profits. If you see, we are looking for 50 points, and we get the 50 points over here. So this is the first day wherein we have made a profit of 50 points. Let's go further and check what happens on the future dates on the live charts. And at the same time, what you also have to understand is the last candle that we wait for is 10:05. So once it is 10 a.m., that is the last candle that we wait for. If we are not in profit or whatever is it, we just square off the position at 10:05 a.m. Okay, so let's go for day 2. We are in a profit of 50 points till now. We will just consider it as points so that we understand the entire concept. This was day 2. If you see, it's a second candle is a bullish candle, which is a green candle. So 30,902 is what is the candle closing at. That means we are targeting 30,952 with a stop loss of 30,802. We don't see 802 happening over here. However, we do see that we have hit our profits at this point. If If you see, the high that this candle has made is 30,957. It's mentioned right here, if you see. Okay, so 30,951, our buying is at 902. This candle goes till 30,960. That means we made our 50 points over here again. So 2 days in a row we have made about 100 points, and if you have a buyer with one lot, that means we have made 2,500 rupees. Let's go for day 3 and understand what happens on day 3. It's an incredible strategy. If you see day 3, this is the candle. However, look at the wick. The wick says that the price actually was up till here, and from here it has shown a price rejection again. That means this is a double price rejection, and we will not take any trades when the wick is so big, okay, and the body is so low. So today is a no trade zone for Bank Nifty strategy, wherein the FIIs have actually not decided what to do until now. So we just take a day off on this particular day and not trade. We are going for 17th. We are done with 2 days and 1 day of off. This is day 3. Again, an amazing setup for us. We see the second bearish candle for the day formed, and it closes at 30,751. What we do is we just be bearish, and we hope to get 30,701, that is 50 points, which is easily achieved over here, on this candle. So again, 3 days out of 4 days, 1 day we did not trade, 3 days we have profits, and it's of 50 points each, 150 points done till now. Okay, so this is the day, the fifth day of our understanding sessions, and here is a bullish candle which has formed, and the wick is not really big as we see earlier, and it's on the both side. So ultimately it says that the market is going to go green, and that's what happens. If you see 30,480, the green candle, we go bullish, we buy, we wait for it to hit 30,468, and you can see we almost got it over here, but this is the candle wherein we actually hit our target. So 50 points again banked. Congratulations, 200 points till now, 4 out of 4. So incredible strategy, guys. I have actually been doing this for last 3 years, and I have actually been making a lot of profits. It usually gives you a profit of about 15 to 30% monthly, which is really a commendable one. So we are again on day 6. You see a big wick and a very small body, not on both the sides. Again, this is a day wherein it's a Bank Nifty into no trade zone. It's always advisable to not take any trades and on specific days as such, and we just avoid the trade looking into the candle that has formed. Okay, so we are here on again our day 7, I reckon. You see, this is the first candle and the second candle. Here is where we go into a bullish position. The bullish position is at 710, and the stop loss is at 610, and you can see over here that we have hit our stop loss of 100 points. So we were in a profit of 200 points, out of which we have lost 100 points over here. This is the first day wherein we have seen losses. So I'll tell you what we are going to do before even going ahead. Tomorrow is the day when we are going to go ahead and take 2x of the lots that we have taken. So until now we were doing 1x of the lot. Tomorrow we are going to go ahead and take 2x of the lot, and we will only be targeting 50 points so that we cover up the deficit on this. Okay, so ultimately until now we have done 4 positive trades and 1 trade wherein we have actually had a stop loss. So 100 points still in profit. We will go to the next day wherein we will try to go ahead and earn 50 points, but we will double the lots that we are taking. So 24th, you see clearly over here, this is a very good day for us to go ahead and get into a trade. Second candle again 920, 336 is what the candle shows, we are going to go ahead and target 386, and you see it happens to be over here. So we earn 50 points over here, but since we have doubled the lot size compared to the loss that we had earlier, that means we are going to go ahead and cover up that 100 points over here, and we will be back to 200 points. So till now 5 are positions are winning positions, and 1 is a loss making position. So we'll go to the 25th. Again we go back to our one lot strategy. We are not going to increase. Here is the point wherein we go ahead and enter 810. We hit the target on the first candle itself. That's amazing. So 50 points again over here added to the kitty, 250 points, 6 wins and 1 loss. Next strategy, next day, again 354. We are looking for 404. Here is where we hit the target. You see high, which has made 404. 50 points again, 7 wins and 1 loss. 300 points is what we are in a profit of. This is the point again. If you see, we go bearish with 300 points done, 7 wins, 1 loss, 300 points, and you see over here we are looking for 50 points. We get our 50 points over here in this and we are again to 350 points, 8 wins and 1 loss. 8 wins and 1 loss is seriously incredible, guys. I think it is one of the best strategies that I have ever seen. Next one. Okay, this is for the 31st, 389. We are looking for 439. Do we hit over here? No, we don't. If you see, the high is just 36. So the buy is at 389. We do not see anything happening till 10.5. So we will just square off the position at this candle. That's at 380. So it's a marginal profit of about 10 points, but we will not it's not a profit but a 10-point loss. We will not consider this. This is a very marginal loss that we are talking about. So again, we will consider this day as an off day, wherein we were not able to make any profits or any losses, though we were close to hitting our profit of 50 points, but 47 points again, a strategy is a strategy, so we will not consider this. So 8 wins and 1 losses till now. We go to the next day. It's our very happy new year day. Okay, so 362. We are looking for 312. Do we hit it over here? We don't. Do we hit it over here? No. So 362, our stop loss is going to be at 462. You see, there is no stop loss. We have not hit our stop loss till now, so we are still in trade till here. Okay, so again a dry day. You see, 356 is what we close, 371 is what we close on, and 362 again a dry day. No trades, no profit, no losses on such days. Though again over here, if you see 362, we had gone till a low of 325, but again 2 or 3 more points and we would have hit our profits. So it happens, no problem. 8-1 is the ratio that we have till now, and that's been the ratio for this not financial but the last trading session since 15th of December. So it's a simple strategy, guys. You don't have to be a scientist to go ahead and understand this. You just have to focus what is the second candle, 5-minute candle that gets prepared on Bank Nifty, and take your trades accordingly. We have been doing this for a long time now. You can consider about 3 years. The profits that we make is amazing. Upstox platform makes it very easy for you to go ahead and place orders and get the profits booked in timely manner. I would request you all to go ahead and do paper trading for a couple of days and check the strategy. If you like the strategy, do support us by opening your Upstox accounts with us using our link which is below, and that's about it. I hope that you like this video and you will definitely make a lot of profits out of this. Signing off for today. Thank you so much for watching us. Do subscribe our channel.